Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working. If Facebook notifications aren't working, you might miss friend requests, messages, comments, or important updates. The problem can be caused by incorrect notification settings, app permissions, battery saving features, or temporary Facebook server issues. So try these fixes. So first is to check Facebook notification settings. So open the Facebook app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and look for notifications under Preferences. Select Notifications and ensure the notifications you want, like comments, tags, friend requests, marketplace, etc., are turned on. So, for example, friend requests, I just click on that and make sure push, email, SMS are enabled, just like so. So, let's click comments, for example. So, make sure all of this is enabled. Next is to enable phone notifications for Facebook. So close Facebook and go to your phone settings. Then in here, scroll down and look for notifications. Select that. Scroll down and select Facebook and enable allow notifications, just like so. Next is to check do not disturb or focus mode. So open settings, then look for do not disturb or go to focus. Now in here, select do not disturb at the top, then turn it off. So, if using focus mode, allow Facebook notifications or disable the mode temporarily. Next is to disable battery saver. So, go to settings again. Now, in here, go to battery, then scroll down and go to battery mode. So, battery optimization can prevent apps from sending notifications. So, make sure you disable battery saver. So, set battery usage to unrestricted if it's available. Next is to check background app refresh. So go to settings, then tap general. Now in here, scroll down and select background app refresh. Then scroll down and enable it for Facebook, just like so. Next is to update the Facebook app. So go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Facebook. So open Facebook and install any available updates. So just like what you're seeing here, update is available. Click on that and wait for it to be updated. So once updated, go ahead and open Facebook and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.